Open new file. Already you know how to open new file. If you don't know, please go to how to open new file in 2D section. You will get it clear lecture. Just go to this new and select here metric, and here it is open new file. Now we are going to learn solid primitives. Solid primitives means some predefined shapes available. These shapes we can use to create our 3D modeling. Same tool, it is available in this home tab. Same tool available in solid tab also. These all the tools are primitives tool. We will see one by one coming lecture. This lecture we will see how to create box. We will see. Once you come inside 3D modeling workspace, you will get it like this. You can change this one too. Now it is looking 2D. Just go here, select southwest, southeast or northeast or northwest, any one select. Now it is changed to 3D workspace. You can see X direction, Y direction and Z direction. Now you can create your primitives. The first one, it is box. Click here, click this drop down, you can see all the tools. In this first one, box. If you click this box and specify first corner, specify next corner and specify the height of these primitives. Same type of box we can create with proper dimension. Just go to box and which is the first corner point, select the first corner point and shift @ what is the X direction value, means length. I just give 50 units and comma width. Width is Y direction 25, comma what is the height? Height Z direction. I just give 10. Enter. Now it is ready. You can see this is length and this is width. This one height. X direction length, Y direction width, Z direction height. What we given, the dimension we got box. Again I go to box and here it is. First these two box, first point we selected a corner point, but we can select center point also. If you select this center and click the center point, now you can see I selected this area center point. Now if you move your mouse, depends on that movement your box will create. So without any corner point you can select a center point also here. Same, just go to box again and I click the corner point. You can make length, width, you can make here also. If you select length, you can specify the length. Before specifying length, you can just click this auto mode, so you will get it like this. So you can make your length which side you want. Now I just make it like this, X direction 25, enter. Now I just move my mouse to the next direction. This side I just make it 50, enter. Now you can, which direction you need, just move your mouse to that side and make the size, you will get it the box. Again go to the box and click the corner point. Here we have cube option. If you select this cube, Now you can see if you given any one side, automatically the cube will create. Press this F8, you will get it X direction or Y direction value. So just move your mouse like this. If you given one direction value, the equally you will get it a cube. I just make it 50 units, enter. All the sides it is 50 units. Now this box is created. These all the boxes are showing like 2D wireframe. This one you can change view styles, visual style. Just click here and go to the realistic, and here it is. Or you can select hidden, conceptual, shaded edges, like that. Anyone you can select and just go to orbit. You can select this orbit also, or you can use shortcut also. Press shift key and press the mouse center button, and you can make orbit like this, and you can see your 3D modeling. This is the way to create boxes in various methods in AutoCAD.